In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the WhiteBIT interface theme. WhiteBIT allows you to switch between different interface themes, making it easier to customize the platform based on your preferences. Whether you prefer a bright appearance during the day or a darker interface for nighttime use, changing the theme only takes a few moments. To get started, access your WhiteBIT account and look for a moon icon, usually located in the upper corner of the screen. Click the moon icon, and you'll find the setting for the interface appearance or theme. WhiteBIT typically provides light mode, dark mode, and system mode, allowing you to choose the appearance that feels most comfortable while using the platform. Click on the theme you'd like to use. As soon as you make your selection, the interface will update automatically, and you'll immediately see the new appearance applied throughout the platform. You can switch between themes as often as you'd like. Simply return to the same theme setting and choose a different option whenever you want to change the appearance again. If the new theme doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or reopening the platform. In most cases, however, the change is applied instantly after you select your preferred theme. And that's how to change the WhiteBIT interface theme.